Hi students, hello everyone. Welcome to this module on financial discipline by Open Brain Society. So in this module, we'll be discussing about something called as financial discipline, by which you can achieve financial freedom. Now, first of all, what are these terms? So, and why are we learning these particular terms? So, first coming to financial discipline. So, you already know what is discipline. So, simply put, let's take an example. Let's say you're preparing for an examination or whatever that examination may be. Maybe you're preparing for some examination in the quarterly or whatever it is. Now, for preparing this examination, you lay out certain plan, and laying out a plan is something, and then you sticking to that plan or implementing that plan properly. So, if you do that according to your set, whatever the rules that you have set, then you say that you are following a particular discipline by which you finally what you are able to achieve is you get some good marks in that exam or whatever you aim for. So that is in terms of the discipline that you apply in case of an exam. Similarly, the same thing holds good for even the money. So if you, let's say you later after some time you earned a job, and you started earning money. You need not even earn a job. You're just earning some money by whatever the means. Now, if you are able to manage the money in a particular by following a particular plan and by using some set of rules, then finally what you would achieve is nothing but something called financial freedom. Okay, so this is what you'll achieve. So then, but what is this financial freedom? So, and why do I need to achieve it? Right? So, first of all, first let's discuss what you are actually achieving by studying and whatever you're writing some examinations and all that. So, finally, what is your aim? Right? So, basically, everyone is looking for certain freedom. So, in terms of by in the childhood, while you are learning, and then whatever the standard you are in, and you are complete your learning, the finally what is your aim is the most important goal is to be independent. That means after you study whatever the thing that you are studying, you'll be finally able to earn a living for yourself, so that you don't depend on anyone. It may be so you don't depend on your parents or something to earn your living or to make a living, right? So what you are doing there is only making a living. So whatever you'll achieve till here by working hard and learning all these subjects, whichever the stream you're in, or I mean, if you want to go in either you may want to become a doctor or anything, so whatever you want to become, but at the end, with that, what you will, the basic thing that you achieve is that you will be able to live or make a living without depending on anyone else. So that is the independence or the freedom that you get. So, but is that enough? That can only, so what happens there is you started earning money, you can make your living, that till that it's fine. But after that, what? Okay, I started earning. Now, how much money should I have, and how long should I keep earning money, and what should I do with that money that I earn, by which I can go to the next stage, which is known as the stage of having financial freedom. So, what is having financial freedom mean is you having enough money or whatever the in enough amount, so that even without you being employed for the rest of the life, you should be able to live in a proper way. So that proper way might be different for different people, but ideally, what it means is you should be able to do a normal living without worrying about whether you have money or not. So you might have seen like whatever. So in your family or anything, so people asking you to don't waste money, save the money, and all this. I mean, you might have heard many of these cases. Don't just waste money on some things and all that, right? So, so why to do all this? And is there a proper way to do all this? And if we do this, what we achieve is that freedom. So just imagine today I gave you whatever the money you require. Let's assume that you just there is some angel or god appeared, and then gave you a boon, saying that you'll always have the required money to do anything that you want in life, and you should and the money shouldn't be a problem for you. So if you need not think about money and just focus on whatever you want to achieve in life, or whatever that is needed, and whatever you want to do, but that whatever you want to do should not be motivated by money. So when that happens, that is known as financial freedom. So whatever you think right now, what is happening, you are obviously trying to earn your living first of all. So that's a basic need. So first you want to earn your living, which makes sense, and that's why you are studying all that, you're working hard, and everything is fine. But once you start earning money, then what to do next, or how to use that money? Is there a way to use the money cleverly so that after some time you have enough money so that you can lead the rest of your life on your own terms. So when I say on your own terms, like the way you want to live without worrying about any of the money aspects. So that is what is the ultimate goal of anyone. So you want to be in that state of financial freedom. So for doing that, that's why you are actually learning about all this. So once you learn, and for achieving this freedom, we need to know certain things. And in these modules, what we'll be touching upon is some basic important things that you require to actually understand, and why, so that you get a glimpse of what's actually why is it important to learn about this. And also you'll also learn about some basic stuff regarding certain aspects of achieving the financial freedom. So as part of this, we'll be having some modules where we'll be discussing in each module, maybe not in the exact order, but all these modules would be covered. So where you learn about so why we save money, and what is saving, and what is something called growing money. And we also learn about the most important fundamental concept called time value of money. And this is the basic thing by which, due to which we actually need to study all this. If this was not there, then you don't need to do anything actually of this course. So that's a very important concept. And we learn about amazing power of compounding. And we'll just touch upon something called risk versus reward. And we'll also learn about what is an asset and what is a liability. And we'll also finally we'll also wrap up with the path to financial freedom. So what is the stage in which you are in, and what are the stages through which you have to go in order to achieve this financial freedom? Okay, so that's going to be the way the whole modules work. So that's about this module. And in the next module, we'll be starting off with the crux of this course, where you'll start about learning about why saving money. Okay, thank you for watching.